Profound respect that this honorable tribunal. My name is Nuruddin Aziz. I appear with my learned friend, Cynthia Okizo, who is just appearing before the tribunal for the first time. We joined another appearance for the rest of for the appearance. And we have Mr. Mayo as the representative of the family. Mayo. I think Mayo is spelled MAYOWA. Abegunde is spelled ABEGUNDE. I don't know if you can unmute yourself and tell the tribunal your designation.
Yeah, good morning, everyone. Yeah, my designation is Tax and Treasury Supervisor.
Come again.
Tax and Treasury
Supervisor.
That's not what.
Treasury Supervisor. You are not a black son. Thank you.
With utmost respect, Mr. Chairman and honorable members. My name is I.M. Bende. I appear with P.P. Agari. Our humble appearance is for the respondent.
Any particular? Non-correspondent. No material for.
Yes, need for now.
Honorable Tribunal, the matter is supposed to be for adoption of address today. However, I have oral no pause application. This our application is in line with the XI, which is under 11.2 of the Tax Appeal Tribunal 2021. Yes.
What?
Rule 2.
Yes.
Where we are making an application for this tribunal to grant you. Tribunal to grant you.
Yes.
For the applicant or for the applicant to file their appellant final written address. Out of time.
Yep.
And the deeming order that still having been filed properly in five.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alex,
Yes, sir.
maybe it's not, it didn't depend, is there any required for this file with it?
All right, so I think the challenge we had was in
You went,
just,
you went to sleep?
no, sir, no, we actually drafted it, however, and we have some internal bureaucracy where we can't get any process filed without the ladder of approval, and even the client will have to approve the so that was where the DG came into that. Very much sorry for.
You said the rule you cited.
Sir?
See, you read the rule you cited.
Yes, for us, we can make an oral application, so
Yeah, but you must give it, right?
we are very sorry. I'm very sorry. I'm sorry.
What's the issue?
That's what I'm saying, it was due to internal verification, we couldn't get approval to file within, within the relevant period of time. We have drafted this, we have shared it with my partner. Now that review.
When was it passed?
On the 12th day of,
Huh?
on the 12th day of this month, sir. 12th day of May. We apologize for the inconvenience.
And it's properly like you would send your, what is the appellant,
I noticed just this morning.
yes, it is.
Why didn't you?
It's not properly like it's
I
not.
was just, I was able to keep this emotion.
It was a challenge, we forgot to write it as an upland final address, it was a mistake on our part. We watched it, was through.
Maybe I'm going to defy your.
We just have them on the 12th.
It's not fair.
We were served on the 12th. It is last week, talking about CIT.
They served you there.
That's why
You told them you will be there.
They ambush you.
they ambushed me.
How did they know you will be there?
No, it was sent through the tribunal, the registry. I received it via WhatsApp. We'll leave it.
And are they giving the hard copy?
Yes, I just received it.
I didn't want that on record.
What if for the tribunal to give this
Can I wait for?
on their motion for extension?
Okay.
Yes.
You are not attending MBA. You are attending all the conferences.
And the tribunal.
It wasn't, it's a very nice and deep. It's not very. And it's very deep, yeah.
It used to be more thorough. One that was
Sam,
and without dating, it used to be more thorough now.
I'm very sorry, I just go through and goes and drafting the address, which I don't see. I'm very sorry, sir.
The application by the applicant under the 11 Road 2 of the THC procedure of 2021, having not been opposed by the respondent, is hereby granted as follows. A, the applicant is granted leave to file the final written address out of time. B, the applicant's final written address already filed on the 12th May 2026 and served on the respondent is deemed to have been properly filed and served.
And the tribunal buildings, most ways.
Yes.
Mr. Chairman, the tribunal haven't granted appellant leave. And for extension of charge, they wish to file and serve their file and serve their appellant's final written just.
Yes.
Our time starts to run now.
That's the run from when we were served or today.
Today.
Why today? You said they served at the conference.
You've been closed on notice.
Today, sir.
No.
You were served at the conference. What date were you served? You were served the 12th.
We'll confirm that. They got the document.
They served us when
So
they
they
were,
didn't
they
break
served
it.
us when they were out of time.
A dimmy prayer.
They served us when they were out of time.
Then
So
a dimmy prayer means it was filed and served properly from the 12th when we received it. That is the dimmy prayer.
but the day it was granted, when the order was made,
Yes.
it's the applicable law.
When an order is granted, when does it take effect?
It starts to count today.
No,
Well, the tribunal has its.
this is a dimmy prayer.
The tribunal,
Say,
I was thinking that
yeah,
their motion having been
the applicant's
granted.
final written address already filed on the 12th May 2026 and served on the respondent is deemed to have been properly filed and served.
So it's from that.
Effective from the.
So they took our time. that we were supposed to file ours.
No, but
They entered our own time, they will not be granted.
You
In
didn't
the
oppose
interest
the-
of justice, I cannot oppose their motion.
You didn't oppose the thing.
No, I cannot oppose their motion or anything they ask for. I cannot. I
Yes,
just
right.
ask in the interest of justice, let me have my own 30 days, because when I was served on the 12th, I was busy. I was busy. So in the interest of justice, if you serve me before on the 12th, I would have filed ours. I would have filed it.
So I think it should start counting from today.
Are you speaking legally speaking, or
So
you just think that morally?
let guys.
because
Morally.
because you created a lockdown.
No, sir.
So it's your conscience.
It was deemed today.
You have been properly filed and served.
It was 12. I mean, if you
You
are
have been
following
properly filed and served.
Although I don't know who are some of our legal planet seniors.
You have been properly filed and served. So if they were not giving prayer,
Because most of the time, even in normal conventional courts,
Sure,
when
it
it
is,
is
but-
granted, start counting.
there's nothing.
If myself can.
There was something else to do. If we say from today, we're being magnanimous. But legally speaking,
which we can do.
legally speaking, if the prayer was that the service has been properly served, that means properly served,
I feel it's in the
Okay,
interest
so-
of justice. Sir,
as a friend of the tribunal,
I
do you
feel
think,
it's in the interest of justice.
do you think otherwise?
Your Honor, sir,
And
The-
speaking in
the
the spirit,
regular-
in the spirit,
yes, sir, the regular procedure is that the deeming took place today. But sometimes the opposing counsel or the respondent to that application is already ready with his own, and he has already filed. So you say, let mine too be regularized. But if by law, and then the tribunal has the discretion to abridge time. Tribunal can say, I abridge we are going to abridge the time.
I believe or in life,
Sir?
I believe or in life.
No, both. Both abridge and enlarge is within the discretion of the tribunal. But actually, when an application is made, the actual effect is that it is today, it is properly before the court.
That is true. The tribunal for us.
Yes, sir, yes, sir. It's today, it's properly
If
before.
a tribunal makes an order to grant an amendment
Yes,
of
sir.
the process you have already filed,
Yes.
when does that amendment?
The amendment will take effect from the day the order is made, but is deemed to have been, the amendment takes effect from the day
It's as if
the order is made.
it's as if that process has been properly filed at the time from the beginning.
From the beginning.
If you are correcting an error,
Not that day.
Yes, it is deemed to have corrected the earlier process, but the deeming order
What was
takes effect from the day the tribunal makes the pronouncement.
What the tribunal has a large place of discretion,
Yes, sir.
which can be exercised.
Yes, sir.
You know, but when you say the regular, I'm talking about
Remember, you asked for
the
100 days.
regular count.
30 days, sir. Once for 30 days, in the interest of justice.
You are not,
The appellant had more than
We will give
40 days to file this
we
process.
will give them.
you didn't oppose that.
No, I need not oppose. I
So
need not.
you want 40
I did that in the interest of justice.
you want
So your time start counting
30
when?
Today,
So let's go from today now, start counting.
So let's. Gentlemen, can we look at, I think I'm gonna. 18th of July. Production. 18th, 1/3.
It's convenient.
Or 14th.
14th is convenient. 14th is convenient. 13th is not convenient.
Huh?
No, the 13th is not convenient. 14th is convenient.
14th is okay.
But way by our, any of these lawyer, we have a lawyer, we have.
Give you 14th. Production.
14th.
Why we're giving you that July is, you have 30 days, so by 19th of June, you would have exhausted your 30 days. If they want to file in the return, that they can file. And they will come on the 14th for production.
That's the tribunal cases. They are more straightforward.
The respondent is granted 30 days from today to sign its final written address. This case is adjourned by consent of both parties to the 14th July 2026 for adoption of final written addresses.
Number 2 on the court list with appeal number beg your pardon, TAT/FFF/015/2025, Pay Center Big C Drilling Limited versus Bayelsa State Board of Internal Revenue.
Sure.
With all respect to the tribunal, my name is Nuruddin Aziz. I appear with my learned friend, Cynthia Okize, for the appellant. However, you are given representing the company, most of the Black Sand.
Respondent?
With utmost respect, Mr. Chairman and the honorable members. My name is I.M. Bende. I appear with P.P. Agari. Our humble appearance is for the respond. I apologize, there is no presentation for this. Okay. Respondent is presented by Dr. Omukoro Baroge Ramson. He is the technical advisor on tax for the respondent.
I think there is more removing what,
He's virtually present.
you can see.
I think he's the one on the screen.
You can record him as being, as representing.
No, it is Mayowa. Okay, Mayowa, if you
Mayowa.
the Mayowa. I don't know what
No,
Yes, at the good.
where is it? Okay.
Thank you, sir.
You say he's the, that's treasury. Okay.
That's advice, sir.
The one that ensures that your feet are paid.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. He's the one that will usually.
Yes.
Honorable Chairman, the matter is placed today for hearing of the appeal.
Background for.
Today for hearing, sir.
No,
Was I doing for?
this is 15. 15 is a commencement of yes. 15 is the commencement.
Which part? Is it open? Go up. That might be on the record.
But in the cost list, you still because
Even in the cost list,
if you look at the cost list, and you say,
in the cost list, check that.
The only process, I mean, when
We have not opened our cases.
but you see the
First
cost
time.
list.
yeah, I saw it.
Or this. What happened? Did you miss out the price? Hmm? Yeah. There is a list of them. On the 17th of March,
Yes.
were you on the 17th? Were you on the
We
17th?
were here on all the days that
That
matter.
was adjourned to the for that was everything. And then there was we can live on a jail, 2 days on road, testifies, you know. What is the problem? Yeah. Did they miss out?
Hope it's not.
Have you opened your case before? Have you examined your?
No, I think the one we examined was when we called the.
How many matters
When
do you
you
have
call the
So for pay setter, we have 2 matters.
before the trial?
Yes, the first one, which is
That's,
2024.
That's 007.
007 is the first.
Yes, 007.
And then 015.
015. I think that was when the.
When is the next one? Wait.
Let me check.
Is the exhibit, if they are exhibiting, that's the only way we can clarify this.
Well, they will have to, the record showed, witness identifies 18 documents referred to in this witness statement on vote of 11 September 2025 as follows.
The quality and it should be tender.
That one is.
You know what? It's already alleged to be.
They were extended.
015.
That is 015.
Yes.
Yes.
Let me check on it.
This were ended.
Let's say if we do that, we do that. We're gonna look for breakfast and lunch.
For 007, you recall a witness
He does correct. The tender person.
for 007, you recall.
Okay, so I think what happened on the
You
last
recall your
meeting was
witness.
that we were supposed to go on, but the tribunal said we should just do examination in chief, then come back for cross examination.
Yes,
I think the tribunal is here. Tender on the business.
There are 13 documents.
The first was here, I will say,
You should write down.
Yeah.
multiply that was, don't put beyond.
You should.
That's what happened.
Look at 13 documents.
Says what process.
On the 13 documents were tendered on the. You recall your witness. You remember, you recall your witness.
Yeah.
On the 19th of February, the case by consent of both parties is adjourned to the 17th March 2024 hearing. Because you had to make an application to recall a witness. And then on the 17th of March, our record shows that witness on oath and the witness identifies documents, 18 of them.
Remember, are you not ready? Oh, are you ready for that process?
By consent of both parties, this case is adjourned to the 19th.
That's what I said.
For cross-examination and the.
Are you ready for that process?
If their witness is available. Because
We are ready to go, we are ready to go.
yes, if their witness is
If
available.
you are not ready, session.
No, we since Mr. we can give you
We can give you a further date because don't
look at the amount of money involved.
don't move it aside. If you know
And
you
I
are
want
not,
that can
you want to separate, we'll give
That's
you.
what.
It's very important that
The company is a big company.
it's a case that you should be very
Yeah,
diligent.
but you should also be discretionary about spending funds to government money.
But look at the money involved. That's why Aziz is so passionate.
So we want the company to be in operation so that we can pay more taxes.
Yeah.
The money involved is huge, so don't take it for granted, vendor. If you are not prepared for the government funds, give you a date.
I applied for it. One of the concerning parts.
So please, anytime any council is in town, ask for the records of the tribunal. So, guide you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, this case was adjourned for today. You were said, well, let me have it down there.
And the matter is adjourned today for as the tribunal for cross-examination, sir. For cross-examination.
Yeah, remember.
Mr. Chairman, we applied for it. The process, I will request. We apologize for it. The misconception on our part.
But you recall that we had asked that those documents should be uploaded
Yes,
for the cross-examination.
yes.
So if you have not done so,
No, we shared it with you.
so we should upload the document, since the witness is attending the trial.
It's already uploaded. All right. We have no objection to the application of learning French.
You don't have any excuse, I mean, you can't object. Even if you object.
Lots of that.
You can get into.
Yes. The cases, they should smooth another, so let's detail Tuesday.
Christians?
Tuesday.
June. For President.
It's pleasant.
Congress.
By consent of both parties, this case is further adjourned. The state gentleman of this. Dr. Gameka.
So, I must like some compliments.
Background report is that came number 386 every and 2 4 That's the word of Israel has crime self-limited.
Francis.
With utmost respect, the chairman and members. My name is I.M. Ben Ben. I appear with PP Agari for humble appearances for the appellant. The appellant is represented by Dr. Omuko Arabi Ransom. No, I am John Hammond. I am John Hammond. Hammond spelled A-M-E-H. My appearance is for the respondent. Any part of that? Only part of them today.
Yes,
Due respect to Honorable Tribunal, I have an oral application link subject to the 11 which is Honorable Tribunal rules.
we should.
Level 2.
Yes,
Our application is for the respondent sole witness, Mr. Adisoji Akindono, to file a further witness statement.
How would you name again, Mr.
Adisoji Akindono.
Mr. Who?
Adisoji Akindono.
Fire what?
A further witness statement.
Yes,
And even further that, the further witness statement having been filed is properly before this one and served on the applicant and the appellant.
yeah.
Like
What?
was filed this morning.
19th minute.
This morning.
Yes,
The grateful to application of that.
and then,
But no question. In circumstances, we will accept.
let me- I just say, did he file before?
The further witness statement,
Did he file a witness statement before?
be filed.
I mean that witness, or is a fresh witness?
No, it's not a fresh witness,
The same witness.
same witness.
The first one, fine, when was it?
And 16.
Are you discontinuing that one? You withdraw that one?
I'm trying to say further,
Okay.
just to bring in one or two.
Okay.
16th of February,
It's everyone.
yes. 16th of February.
Okay. Okay, now you can solve.
Yes. So. Why is the way? Procedure for the fact that an exhibit was attached. So we go into the past. Safety.
The respondent application on the 11 of the CH procedure 2021 is hereby granted as follows. A, the respondent is granted leave to file his further witness statement on both. B, the witness statement on both filed on the 19th May 2021 is deemed to have been properly filed. So,
Most of them,
yes, yes.
yes, we will ask them for a date. Investment. This is predicated. Yes, sir.
Okay, are you in the same office with John Ejeba?
Yeah, correspondence officer. Yeah, correspondence office. I'm in Lagos.
Okay.
Very.
So you're asking for that for them?
Yes, sir.
We don't believe those when it gets on. What would you say is the
Predicated on the further witness statement filed by the respondent and an attached exhibit. Why not? Let begin so that the town will look at it. So,
This is what the tenth is. The tenth of the fifth of
Chairman, the matter was adjourned today for hearing. And this,
It's beyond.
the matter was originally adjourned to hearing. And what we filed is not totally a strange or new fact to say.
Stanley, is there a case?
Very.
If they say, look, what you have filed,
Put his case.
and I was coming to that, you just reminded me. There are avenues for you, you should have filed online. If you had made use of the online filing, even before you came, they would have been served. There would be no reason for his appeal for adjournment.
You just gave it to him.
You just filed it on you have served him. We can't shut him down, they'll say.
I'm trying to.
For whatever it is.
Okay, very well.
Whatever it is, just take it.
You can always file your process online, or you go to you're in Lagos. You can file at the tribunal in Lagos. And forward it, yes. The tribunal is indicated that you can file. And send them to the ministry.
That's the time.
Yeah, 16th
16th of
June. For hearing. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
I mean, you're not free.
I'm ready.
This case is further adjourned by consent of both parties to the 16th to 20th and things for hearing.
Number 4 on the court list with appeal number TAT/SSS/014/2025. Federal Inland Revenue Service versus Park Engineering and Construction Company, Nigeria Limited.
May please this honorable to.
What I just mean. Madam.
May it please this honorable tribunal and Mrs. Salome Ebo. I announce my appearance for the appellant.
Yeah. Cheers, you.
With
With profound respect to the chairman and members of the Honorable Tribunal, Godfrey D. Otiotio appears with Andre O. Nelson Esquire for the respondent.
How do you pronounce that? Is it Andre
It's
or
spelled
Andre?
Andrea, but the owner of the name says it's Andre. Grateful, sir. Andre O. Nelson Esquire for the respondent.
So is the
Andre.
I'm covering him. He says, we are in the tribunal, legal tribunal, so in law, we don't seem to see biological females. In fact, there was one of my colleagues, when we are in court together, she or he may try to stay away from me because with my height, I will be covering her. Beautiful, sir.
Any rep for the party rep?
No representation.
Madam, you were here before. There was a time you appeared here
Yes. That was last.
year. And you disappeared.
or since you live around here.
You are in Sapele Award.
No, my lord.
Follow here. People want to settle our own bed. They are past that. We adjourned it for hearing. Adjourn for hearing. Are we ready?
Yes, as a tribunal.
You have your witness?
Not
Adjourn
yet.
for hearing.
We have a motion before this honorable tribunal.
No.
The motion on notice.
Where is it?
Series of option.
Series.
Who said that? It's a series of options. One is 40. This is 40.
What was the motion?
The motion is dated 14th day of May 2026.
Final.
Filed the same date. Our motion is seeking the leave of this honorable tribunal to amend and summary notice of summary appeal. Before I go further, yes, to amend our notice of summary appeal. Before I go further, I'd like to draw the attention of the honorable tribunal to a little, should I call it error? The day we forwarded our amended notice of appeal, I forgot to forward to attach the motion on notice. So if you look at it, there are different dates. The notice of appeal was filed on the 11th of May, 2026, while the motion seeking leave is filed on the 14th. So the motion is dated 14th day of May 2026, and we have an affidavit in support of the motion on notice for leave to amend. The affidavit contains 10 paragraphs.
Let's get to word first. The
Motion,
your amended notice of summary appeal was filed on the 11th of May.
yes,
Right. And then the motion was filed.
11.
Motion was filed.
14.
Yes. Yes. Okay. You got it now.
My lord, the motion is seeking for an order of this honorable tribunal granting leave to the plaintiff applicant for the amendment of the notice of summary appeal and the affidavit setting for the grounds upon which this application is based.
But you, I think you have responded. I saw something there from you.
Yes, sir.
3 paragraphs.
We are not opposing the application to amend the process.
Okay.
When we receive the amended notice of summary appeal that was notionally filed, we have responded thereto. So we will pray the court to grant that our consequentially filed response is properly filed before the tribunal.
My lord, we have an amended notice of appeal reflecting the actual tax liability subsequently determined, which is dated 11th day of May 2026 and filed same day. A said notice of appeal supported by 28 paragraphs affidavit. Deposed to 28 paragraphs affidavit deposed to by one law of God.
Hello.
Elo.
Hello, on them.
Elo. E-L-O-H-O. Attached to the amended notice of appeal is a copy of the current tax computation. Subject to the convenience of this honorable tribunal, we respectfully apply to rely and adopt our amended notice of appeal.
But I have only the application for leave. No,
I thought I did that earlier.
have you? We did have your record, that's why I said.
The issue is that don't seem to
We didn't have,
understand that we are recording it, so we just stop.
you know, your record, that's why I said, move the application.
Sorry about
We actually
that.
did, we just stop.
Mm.
There are some people I will stop now.
So the church says it's not opposing.
Yes.
So you can move in terms. So we'll go ahead.
Okay,
So I will just record the subject to convenience of the tribunal move in terms of that.
as a tribunal process. Hello? It's 400 and something million. As a audit. That was an audit exercise. But when the
Down to 70.
company came and suggested that we should settle and he proposed payment of 20 million. There will be a series of meetings with the tax audit office. And then we were able to come up with the audit office gave us the current tax computation based on which we brought this amended notice.
How much?
That is 97 point something million. 93.
Also, say you pay that one till the.
Sir, in fact, my client or the respondent what we are saying is that the respondent is needed to settle this matter so that they can move ahead and we pray the court to enter judgment upon himself. Yes, sir.
Well, let's,
We consider to
yeah, the
what they
first,
have applied for, so
but I didn't
there's
see,
no need of adjournment
you
again.
didn't indicate the seventh. Okay, I've seen it. I've
Yes,
seen
sir,
it.
yes, sir. Brief,
That's good practice, what you do. As a pastor. And a bishop,
brief, sir.
yes. Well, the motion for amendment of the application for leave to amend the notice of summary appeal is read by brief.
As a problem.
So, Madam, let's like take you back. Maybe what we will do, I will delete your earlier submission. About the summary lesson. So in this is no, they are considering. They will can do not it. Okay, so the amount is how much?
97,530,895.
There is no cover.
That's my.
97,530,000. 955.
It's
895.
Yeah, Bishop Session.
Your Honors, the respondent proceeds to the amended notice of summary appeal and the claims contained therein. And we pray the Honorable Tribunal to enter judgment accordingly. Grateful, Your Honors.
Yes. Yeah.
Yes, you have been paid.
No, we have not faced. We have not faced.
No receipt of payment yet.
No, sir, but if judgment is delivered, we work towards payments.
No terms of settlement yet from,
Sir,
no terms of settlement drawn from both sides.
which
You were entirely meeting.
the
Not draw out your.
the thing is that since the claim, the claims are all considered. So it doesn't require any other terms. If the appellant is conceding to some things, then we will now find terms of settlement. But this one, the liability is thrown on the respondent. Respondent said, I'm a businessman, I don't like going to court, tribunal cases, all over. I fear case. There are some people who will tell you, no, don't do case, so the case will ruin your life. Or that there are people that the officer they would have billed, they've spent it on case. Grateful, Your Honors.
This liability was for which year?
2014 to 2019.
(2014, 2014).
Yes, my lord, to 2019. That's audit exercise.
Is it paying VAT or?
It's a combination of company
All of them.
income tax, VAT, stamp
Okay,
duty,
don't worry.
and EDD.
Everything.
Does it include in price of the dollar? Because it's already serious.
The interest and penalty, based on the meeting we held in the tax audit office, the tax promise will automatically generate that.
That's what we- This is the principle.
Yes, my lord.
You can even waive them too.
Can't be waived. It's in the system.
One day.
Your Honor, sir, they can be waived, but it's like the appellant is imposing everything on us.
system.
Therefore, sir,
In accordance to the respondent admitting the tax liability of 97,780,095 naira nil kobo for 2014 to 2019 period. This tribunal accordingly enters judgment in favor of the appellant against the respondent in the sum of 97,530,505 naira only. Councilor, they can waive the interest, it's a discretion.
The interest can be
The
waived.
interest is waivable.
That's the way. They have a discretion to waive it.
We should have acquired the
Interest can be waived.
great, sir.
We are most grateful to this honorable.
I must commend your style of advocacy practice. When you see the correct thing, you post, I say, look, do this, do the profession. Yes. It's good.
It's good practice.
It wasn't easy anyway, because they were always crying that the company has not been,
Madam, who will not
has
cry?
not been getting contracts, crying and crying and
We want
crying.
them to.
Madam, who will not cry? Will they not cry?
We want them to keep.
It was actually their fault,
At least they
because
cried and the money.
when the LOI was sent to them initially, because it was based on tax audit, they ought to have, they were not forthcoming. All the documents served on them, demand notices, they were not forthcoming. Matter forwarded to
When
legal
you came here, they not.
department. Okay, when we came, they came out and say, this is outrageous. Are we Julius Berger? Did you come about this kind of tax liability?
They are not that fake engineer, they are authentic engineer.
We are happy because the essence of enforcement is compliance.
Yes.
We believe from henceforth, they will file regularly their tax
But that
returns.
sounds like a penny. Well, if they didn't cry, the money wouldn't have reduced.
Your Honor, sir, may we be guided as to when the certified true copy of the judgment can come out.
It's just for the reason to enroll.
Grateful, sir, grateful. Grateful, sir.
Next week.
We are grateful, sir. We are grateful, sir.
All the last case.
The last one we complete with appeal number C18/SSS/019/2025. Bayelsa State Board of Internal Revenue versus Bennett Protective, Nigeria.
Then, okay, what this one we do likewise.
Oh, we get to the bridge. You cross the foundations. With utmost respect, Mr. Chairman and honorable members. My name is I.M. Bendek. I am here with P.P. Agari. Our appearance is for the appellant. The appellant is represented by Dr. Omukoro Barobi. You are most grateful.
Yes, sir. I am T.A. Arabore, sir. I respectfully, sir, here with my colleague, S.A. Anine. We are appearing for the respondent with respect to I have our cases.
Any party, you have any penalty for
No,
that?
sir, I apologize. Next time, we'll take advantage of that. So we just also
I think that is all for this witness.
yes, sir. Although the witness is formally the witness box. I said the witness is still in the witness box.
Yes.
So we'll take it off from there.
They were just for. Then, do you have whatever witness?
Yes, we filed a motion.
You filed a motion?
Yes, we bring in an additional witness statement.
Yeah.
The plan is stated in.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. It's spaces. Also in receipt of motion filed by harassment.
You have a motion filed on the.
Teams.
What is the no problem?
It's for leave.
File,
Yes, we bring in our additional witness statement. also in receipt of the responding motion. Filed on the 13th of May. Which is set the loss on Friday. Friday, 14th May. Thursday, not Friday, sir. Very sorry.
Anyway, something.
On the 14th of May, 2026. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You filed a motion.
We filed the motions. Filed the motion. The 13th. Filed celebration. Second to. Additional.
You filed a motion.
To bring you some additional.
That's
The detail is almost like a team. It's like. That's it. It is. So we'll look at other.
now,
Additional documents for that.
Yes, yes.
Additional parts.
So the two equities are equal. So which one will be?
On two which one is not fault of time? That's not if I may suggest that. I think we can clear the parts. Well, they can take because they are still the one who.
You file first.
Yes, I five first.
Take your
Start.
opinion. Then are you opposing the opinion? So take your first.
Yeah, before respect to this other tribunal. We. Use this motion filed on the 13th of May 2026. Second to.
Hold on.
13th of May 2026. Yes, but I know that we are seeking for the leave for this tribunal to file additional documents. And to upload further the position of parts. And to what? Upload further the position of parts. The respondents' witness are not. The second order was scaled for the same issue of deeming. The asking this court to deem as properly filed and said additional.
The position of facts.
Yes, sir. For one of the respondents' witness. So this same as properly. Yes, sir. Then this call that we're asking that the documents attached to this application. marked as exhibit A1, A and A1. Marked exhibit A and A1. And B and B1. The team has properly filed and set. The team has properly filed and set. The appropriate filing fees are going to increase. Yes, whether the application is supported by the 5-paragraph affidavit. And we will rely on all the points of the affidavit. Also, the written address in support of the motion. Which we try to persuade this man will try. To grant this application. Yeah. Oops. And rely. That's the first one. No, now we need time to look at their exhibits.
We'll come to that.
Yes.
The motion of registrar and respondent on the 13th May 2026 is granted as follows. The respondent is granted leave to file additional documents and to upload further deposition of facts. The additional documents attached to the application and marked as is A1, B, and B1 are deemed to have been properly filed themselves. You are very welcome.
On the part of the appellant, we have a motion filed on the 15th of May 2026. Might not be it. The prayer sought as contained on the face of the motion paper. The motion is supported by 12 paragraph there. Attached to the said motion.
Supported by
12 paragraph filler. Attached to the said motion is the additional witness statement of court, which contains 2 exhibits. Compliance with the rules of file a written address. I hereby adopt it as an argument in support of our motion. We are most grateful. I am not opposing. Only to just make these observations. I thought my colleague would formally ask for the witness is trying to, because it's the same witness is trying to recall. Cannot be recalling witness who is still located or who is still in the witness box. Because that's the essence of the application, still a witness. Before we got Nigeria and man still in the witness box.
You have cross-examined the witness.
Yes, but I don't with all.
You don't cross-examine.
Yes, should be discharged. But if he wants to recall him, yes, applied. I must I can recall him like
So what is your?
Are you opposing?
What is your
no,
grudge?
I'm not opposing the application.
So
No,
that's-
he's asking for leave to recall him.
Mm.
I'm saying you cannot be recalling somebody who is still in the witness box. You don't use the word recall on the face of emotion.
I've not seen any prayer here.
It's not there.
I've not seen any prayer here to recall.
Well, it's mentioned, it's the same name. He wants to record the witness, he wants to call the witness, the same name.
I've not seen any prayer here for.
On the face of the document.
There are two prayers. The omnibus prayer there. But
It's all right.
it doesn't relate to recalling.
You be sacked? No, because I saw that he mentioned the same name, which is witness, but same person.
There's no prayer for recall.
It's all right.
Well, what we recorded that we are not opposing them.
No, I'm not opposing at all.
No. The applicant's application filed on the 15th May 2026, granted as read in the following terms. One, the applicant is granted leave to file and rely on additional witness statement on oath of Mr. Umukoro Ransom Parade. Two, the additional witness statement on oath of Mr. Umukoro Ransom Parade filed on the 15th May 2026 is said by deemed to have been properly filed and served. Well, I think the case was adjourned today for us. But I don't know.
So Chairman, we're asking for a date.
Yes.
The reason is to afford the appellant. We look at the exhibit attached to it. Mr. Ezekiel. Order. The document attached there, Mr. Ezekiel. We were served at the close of.
What date was that?
Was 14th. So yes, who is also the technical advisor of the board. Was at the CIT conference.
You were there too.
Yes, sir.
No objection.
If I look at 17th. 17th of June, what is it?
Once it's convenient.
Number what?
I know it's okay for you.
Yes, sir.
So we're coming to what?
For continuation. Appellant case. Please want to appreciate them for also finishing the tribunal with some document.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Very appreciated.
Yes, sir.
Not my dad, so.
Yes, sir.
By consent of both parties, this case is further adjourned the 17th June 2026 for continuation of hearing.
This is not a loss.
Yes.
Go rest.
Governor Sonara, please. Yes, I know that we don't hear when you go to that area. Yes, yeah. You don't see that how it's around. You don't see that.